Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open animation grab. So as default you can see we have only the given animation here in the below, and if you want to open the animation grab you can go to Windows menu, click on animation editor and then click grab editor. So we show for the animation grab editor. If you want to move to the below, you can click, hold, and then you can move in it below the keyframe, release to insert. Now you can move again like this frame into here, grab editor. So we have this tab, grab editor and rank slider. So I will move again this keyframe to the grab editor. So we have the options, grab editor, rank slider, and the time slider. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open animation grab.